Hey y'all, Jamie Deen here. I'm in Mama's kitchen again. It's summertime and today I'm doing a delicious marinated summer salad. First things first, I have steamed green beans and carrots. Now I want these still crunchy. Yes, this is hot. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put them in an ice bath. So I've steamed these over about an inch of water. This is green beans and carrots. And I don't want them cooked all the way through. See, they got a little bit of pop right there. Ooh, I love it when you hear al dente, y'all. That's what my mama said. So, taking these and cooking them for just a few minutes and then dropping them in ice water stops that process because things continue to cook if they're hot. Like when you're scrambling eggs, you take your eggs off because your eggs are gonna continue to cook. And I want these to stay nice and fresh and crisp. So straight into the ice bath with those. Our marinade for this, I'm gonna go through, this is a long list of things, y'all, and I wanna make sure I get it right. We have got, this is our marinade now. We've got our third a cup of extra virgin olive oil. We've got 2 tablespoons of tarragon vinegar. This is a teaspoon, and I'm doing all this wrong. Do not measure your ingredients over your bowl because you'll spill it. Make sure you use the correct thing. This is a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. So I need 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to do 3 teaspoons of our tarragon vinegar, and then we've got 1 tablespoon of mustard. I'm using, this is a Grey Poupon, which everybody knows that brand. This is the country Dijon. If you can find a Cajun Dijon, that adds really good flavor to it too. Then we've got a 1/2 teaspoon of what's just cheer sauce. Worcestershire, 1/2. I love Worcestershire sauce. And then we're gonna put our garlic into here. I've got 1 clove of minced garlic. And I'm gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. So just a shake, 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 shake. I'm gonna mix all this together. We're getting very close to our summer salad, y'all. This is, it's a Jamie Deen special. Delicious, easy, fresh, and delicious. So y'all stick around. When we come back, we're gonna put all this together. We're having salads for lunch today, y'all. I've just been busy working away, y'all. I took our green beans and our carrots out of the ice bath and I'm draining these. I don't want them too wet. I've got our marinade here, so we're gonna combine all of our ingredients into one bowl. Now, if you have watched my family or if you've listened to me rambling, you know that salad is really my favorite food. I love a big salad. Oh man, I love all the vegetables, the tomatoes. The best part about a salad is you put in it whatever you want. So this recipe is calling for our carrots, our green beans. I love the color. Look at we're gonna add some red. I'm gonna go with these grape tomatoes. We've got some purple onions, which is, I would not add, but this is my mom's recipe, so I will add them. They're beautiful, they're very strong. I prefer a lighter sweet onion. We're gonna add some black olives. I would put green olives in here. Oh my gosh, I'm just thinking of all the things that I would put in here. And next we're gonna add our cucumbers. There's lots of different ways to do cucumbers. Our baby Davis at the house, who just turned 2, he's starting to eat cucumbers. So for Davis, I might do this. See, take some off and then you can leave a little bit of green between. It adds some color to it. I picked up the absolute worst knife. So see, if you don't have to be perfect with it, because you want a little bit of that green, and then when you slice it, so you have the different pretty colors and textures on here. So that's one way to do it. Let me bang this out real quick. Get our cucumbers in, and then this is another way you can do it. If you score it with a fork.
That's the way I like to see mine, pretty.
Paula Deen, y'all. And if you score it with a fork when you look at it, you see the design that you've left in the side. So there's lots of different ways to skin this particular cat, depending on what you like. So for Davis, I do take the skin off and I add just a little tiny bit of salt for him. So we've got everything in here. Our marinade is all twisted up. You know what would be good in this dressing would be a little bit of maple syrup too. Now we're gonna toss all of our things together. This is a marinade. Now, if y'all want to, we can cover this and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 30 or 45 minutes. Let all of these flavors marry together. Or if you're in a pinch and you're hungry and you're ready to eat, find you a plate. We're gonna park this right on top of this iceberg lettuce that I had laying around. Look how pretty this is. Now, if you want to put this on top of a traditional chopped salad, that'll be fine. You can add cheese to it. I'm telling y'all, when it comes down to the salad family, there's no rules. You put what you like in that bowl and sit down and eat it up. Appreciate y'all tuning in today, y'all. I'm Jamie Deen, and this is Good Food. We'll see y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.